In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the right SEO keywords using Semrush. Whether you're a seasoned digital marketer or just starting out, understanding how to leverage the power of keywords can significantly impact your website's visibility and, ultimately, its success. So, let's dive right in and get started on this journey toward mastering SEO with Semrush. First things first, head over to Semrush's official site. You'll want to use a well-established tool like Semrush because it offers a comprehensive suite of data-driven marketing tools designed to help grow your business. Once you're on the website, look towards the top right of the screen and click on the Login button. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. You can easily sign up and then return to this step to log into your account. Once logged in, navigate back to the Semrush dashboard by going to the home page. It's your central hub, making it easy to access all the tools and functions Semrush offers. Now, from the home page, look for the SEO section. Click on it. This takes you to a suite of SEO tools that Semrush provides. For researching keywords, it's important to utilize the right features to avoid wasting time on less impactful options. Next, locate and click on the Keyword Magic tool. This is the star of the show. The Keyword Magic tool is renowned for its ability to uncover a treasure trove of keyword opportunities. Whether you're looking to improve your content's search rankings or seeking new content ideas based on trending searches, this tool is your best friend. Now comes the exciting part, entering a seed keyword. A seed keyword is essentially a base word or phrase that you want to build upon. It should be relevant to your niche, product, or service. For instance, if you own a gardening blog, gardening tips might be a great seed keyword to start with. Enter your chosen seed keyword into the search field and hit the search button to see the magic unfold. What happens next is that the Keyword Magic tool starts generating a plethora of related keyword ideas, organized into intuitive groups and subgroups. This list gives you an array of keyword possibilities to explore. Be sure to note the vital metrics displayed alongside each keyword, such as search volume, keyword difficulty, and trends. These metrics will guide your strategy to choose the best keywords for your needs. Take your time exploring the results. Identify keywords with a healthy balance of search volume and low to moderate keyword difficulty. These are often the golden opportunities. As you sift through, make a list of suitable keywords you might want to target. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering SEO keyword research using Semrush. Remember, the key is exploration and refinement. Keep experimenting with different seed keywords and analyzing the results to tailor your strategy effectively. Thanks for watching, and feel free to share any questions or insights in the comments below. Until next time, happy keyword hunting!